to Ellie Toys. It is day 20. We are in the 20s. Oh my goodness, we are so close. All right, where's my little helper? Who's coming to help me? Oh, Olivia is climbing up because number 20 is quite high up here in the advent calendar. Let's wrench this door open and let's find out what decoration we're building. Oh, it's a pretty one. It's such a pretty one. It looks like an icicle snowflakey thing. Let's bring it over to the building table and let's build it. Where is it? Thank you, Olivia. You girls are so helpful. So nice to have you here helping. Okay, let's rip it open and put this together. This should be pretty easy because it should be symmetrical. So we put all of our white foliage, which is not going to be foliage in this capacity. It's going to be the points of the snowflake. Isn't that pretty? So we put them all on each side and then we snap them all in place with this little round circle and we put a nice icy circle on the top and then we just put lots of little icy drops just to decorate it. It's so simple but so effective. Oh, I love Lego. It is always so simple and so effective. All really quite complex but still very effective. All right, let's see. These are all kind of different. That's nice. Where are we going to hang the hanger from? We could hang it in the middle or we could hang it off the top. Let's go and find out. Okay, I've decided to hang it from the top rather than from the middle, logically, because it wouldn't actually hang very nicely if we hung it from the middle. So there it is. The snowflake is on the Christmas tree. It's so beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you come back tomorrow for day 21 because, oh my goodness, it is so close now. I'll see you then. Bye.